Hello, lovely future entrepreneurs. We're going to finish up chapter 1 today, take some notes and dive back into your business opportunity, plus look at maybe some actual challenges that entrepreneurs face today and see if any of them will apply to you specifically. So first thing first, if you guys have not already, you need to go around the room and share your business opportunity with each other. So I want you to open up your 1.3 business opportunity. If you haven't done it, then that means you need to start getting with it on your virtual days, guys. I don't give you a lot, so you need to stay on top of things. So just briefly take turns, go through your business opportunity, talk about these 6 questions, and then at the bottom, just add another page and write a pros and cons list. What I want you to do is, as your classmates, as your peers, I want you guys to give each other critical feedback. That means somebody might not agree with your business idea, or they might shoot it down and blow a bunch of holes through it. And that's okay, because that gives you a chance to problem solve and find solutions to all of those issues. It's better to point out all the problems now in your business idea than in 3 months when we're trying to actually execute and implement this business idea. Okay? So give each other some critical feedback. Do not get defensive, okay? Be nice about it. And just do a pros and cons list at the bottom. And this will maybe help rule out this business idea and or encourage you to keep pursuing it. Okay, next up is chapter 1, 1.4 notes. So go ahead and open those up so we can knock those out. We're going to talk about a 6-step problem solving method, and then also talk about ways to improve your problem solving skills. Pretty short and sweet today. All right, so here's our problem solving model. This is going to help people solve problems in a very logical way. Obviously, you're probably not going to stop every time you have a problem and go, okay, step 1, I must define this problem. No, you're probably going to go through these steps subconsciously, right? You're going to figure out what the problem is, going to get some information on the situation. What are some optional solutions I can do here? You're going to maybe weigh the pros and cons of each solution before you actually implement it. Then maybe you're going to make a decision, and then you'll have a little reflection. So did that decision solve the problem? Here is more definitions. So what is the problem? Quantify the problem. We're going to collect information that can help us solve that problem. Look at different possibilities before selecting a particular solution. Maybe rank our alternatives. Take action. So actually make a decision. And then, did it work? Did it not work? Ways to improve our problem solving skills. We can brainstorm. So step outside the box. Generate some fresh ideas. The easiest way is not always the simplest, right? We communicate. We could talk to maybe somebody that's been in the same situation. When we do communicate, we also have to be willing to listen. So earlier you guys shared your business opportunities. Hopefully you were good listeners and communicators at the same time. So clearly giving feedback and then listening and taking that feedback in stride. It's hard to do, it's hard to swallow, but it shows growth. And then just learning from your mistakes, right? Hopefully if you do make a mistake in this semester while you're running your business, you learn from it and you bounce back and you do it better the next time. All right, that's the end of your chapter 1 notes. I told you they were pretty short today. Now what I want you to do is go back into Canvas, and we're going to actually look at some challenges that entrepreneurs face today, day in and day out. So the business world is super competitive, especially if you're a small business and we're an entrepreneur and we're just starting out. Fortunately, there's lots of different resources and ways to solve problems along the way. I want you to read through this article. There are 10 challenges. I want you to pick 3 that you think will apply to you and your business possibly. So 3 challenges that you might also face. Tell me what they are. How are you going to maybe overcome that challenge? And do those challenges exist in larger companies? Tomorrow on your virtual day, you guys are going to simply research some entrepreneurship in the headlines. So like a current event, what's happening out there in the business world, specifically the entrepreneurship world. Are there new businesses evolving? Are there new products out there? Is somebody in the news for some controversial reason? Is something really cool happening in a business, right? So literally anything that's in the news that you could relate back to entrepreneurship, find it, link in the article, answer those questions, and respond academically to one classmate. If you guys have any questions, please reach out to me via Zoom and or email. All right, have a great rest of your day.